Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rice cakes, full guide. Start by rinsing 2 cups of rice until water runs clear and soak for 30 minutes to improve texture. Cook rice until tender with slightly less water than usual so it binds. Cool rice briefly, then mix in seasoning or fillings. Press rice into molds or shape by hand and pan fry or steam until edges crisp and set for serving. In this video, I will show how to make rice cakes, full guide. Measure 2 cups of short grain rice and 25 cups water as a starting ratio for sticky results. Add a pinch of salt for savory cakes or 1-2 tablespoons sugar for sweet versions, and fold in desired mix-ins like scallions or shredded carrot. Keep fillings small so cakes hold together. Press firmly into molds and chill briefly to help them keep shape before cooking. In this video, I will show how to make rice cakes, full guide. Heat a non-stick pan with 1 tablespoon oil for pan frying and cook cakes 3-4 minutes per side until golden. For steaming, arrange cakes in a single layer and steam 8-12 minutes until set. To bake, brush with oil and bake at 400 degrees F for 12-15 minutes, turning once for even browning. Adjust times for thickness and enjoy experimenting with textures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.